A microwave overrunning its 65% efficiency delivers 950 watts to the interior, and we want to find the power drawn from the source. So what's happening is the microwave generates some power, P gen. It's being delivered, but there is some loss here. And in the end, it actually ends up delivering 950 watts. And it says it's running at 65% efficiency. So we want to find the actual power that is drawn by the source. So that's this P gen over here. P gen is obviously going to be a larger number because it generates a power value and it drops by some value here, and then it's delivered here at 950 watts. So basically P gen is just going to be what is being delivered divided by its efficiency, which is given as 65%. So if I do this, I get an approximate value of 1500 watts. So that's how much the source is actually drawing, 1500 watts. The next question is, what is the current being drawn? And we assume a source voltage of 120 volts. So I is basically P gen. So at the source, that's the power being drawn. So we consider P gen and not P delivered, divided by V. So we have 1500 divided by, it says 120. And if you do the math, 50 over 4, that comes to approximately 12 amps. So that's how much current is drawn.